Welcome to Elite Technique, the all-in-one fence software built to make your business work smarter, not harder. Today, we will talk all about T-posts used to connect two fences. Let's get started. When using the drawing tool, we have the ability to connect two fences by means of a T-post. All we have to do is start drawing a second fence directly over a fence that was already drawn. As long as you see the plus sign and not the hand, you will be connecting the two fences successfully. You usually get the hand when you get too close to any section measurement. You may draw over any part of the first fence to connect it with the second one, over the line or any of its posts. Just like end posts are red, corner posts are yellow, and line posts are green, T-posts are blue, so they are easy to distinguish. Even though the two fences are connected, if you use the Trashcan tool to delete one of the two fences, you won't delete both. And if you delete the first fence, the system is smart enough to transform any T-posts generated into end posts right there on the spot. Same thing goes for the edit tool. If you're using the edit tool and you disconnect the T-post by dragging the vector away from the first fence, when you hit save, it will immediately turn into an end post. If you start drawing the second fence right over one of the end posts of the fence that's already drawn, that end post will transform into a corner post, and the end post will be extended to the new end of this fence. T-posts make it more simple to handle fence connections, and it's also easy to disconnect. Thank you very much.